Hello and welcome back viewers. Now in this lesson we are going to learn what is a forex broker and there are how many types of forex broker. Okay, so let's start. So my dear students, forex broker is a place where traders are going to exchange their currencies, okay, by selling and buying the currencies. Basically it is acting a connecting point between the traders, okay, and the interbanks. It is taking trades from the traders and providing towards the interbanks. So it is considered as intermediary between the traders and interbanks. It is taking trades from the traders, retail traders, and providing towards the interbanks in the world market. Okay, it is a place where buyers and sellers go to buy and sell instruments such as currencies online. Okay, and basically a forex broker is making money from charging commission. Main bread and butter of a broker is by charging commission in terms of spread. In the shape of spread, they will charge commission. Okay, and this commission is their main bread and butter. So basically a forex broker is a place which is providing opportunity for the traders, okay, to buy and sell the currencies. Now we will see types of forex broker. My dear students, we have three types of forex broker, two main types. First one is market maker broker, dealing desk, and other two are ECN and STP, non-dealing desk. Okay, market maker broker, as its name is suggesting, market maker. Okay, so this broker is going to make money from clients profit and loss and clients spread. Keep in mind that. Okay, on their website they can show you we are STP or we are ECN, but not in reality. They are not ECN, not STP. Okay, and they are going to make money from your spread and from your profit and loss also. What normally happens that, my dear students, for example, you are going to make any kind of trade, like if I'm going to make a buy trade here or sell trade here. So when I will place a sell trade, this market maker broker is going to make same opposite trade against me. Okay, they have special technology, okay, and specific systems that they read the new beginners traders. Okay, and if there is any good traders, then they will follow him, and especially for the beginners they will place opposite trade to him. So in this case, for example, I have placed a sell trade, broker will place a buy trade against me. Okay, and if I will place a buy trade, broker will place a sell trade against me. Okay, and if I am a successful trader in the long term, they will follow me. So this is method of they are making money. They will always place opposite trades against you, and I will never recommend market maker broker for you guys. Okay, so they make money from spread and providing liquidity to their clients. This market maker broker can manipulate the market. They can move the market on their own breaker, MT4 platform, okay, in few pips difference, or they can hand to your stop loss. Okay, so basically they are going to make money from you, okay, from your spread, from your loss and profit. If you are going to make profit, then broker will pay you payment from its pocket. Okay, and if you are going to make loss, then broker is going to get that money. Okay, so this is the reality of market maker broker, and this is never recommended. They always place opposite trades to their clients. Okay, and here in this market maker broker, your trades are not going to be entered into the world market, okay, into the interbanks or to the world market. As I have already explained, they will place opposite trade towards you. Okay, and here trades are always remain within the scripts of this market maker broker, within the technology of this market maker broker. Okay, so they are not just making money from spread, they are also making money from your profit loss also. So this is the reality of market maker broker, And now we will see what is ECN broker. ECN. Okay. This ECN broker is included in non-dealing desk broker. Basically, when traders are processing their trades, they are placing the trade like here, here, here. So you can be, it could be any kind of trader. This electronically system, this ECN broker is straightforward processing your trades toward the liquidity providers in the interbank world market. Okay. They will straightforward process your trade towards the liquidity providers. Okay. So ECN stands for Electronic Communications Network. This platform is directly connected to the network of international banks and liquidity providers here, and they will enter your trades into the real market. Okay. So ECN stands for Electronic Communications Network. Basically, these are directly connected to network of international banks and liquidity providers. Okay, and here your trades are going to be entered into real market, and they will straightforward process your trades into the real market. Okay, so ECN brokers is 100% accurate and best broker ever. Always try to make your account on ECN broker. Now we will see what is. My dear students, STP stands for straight through processing. Okay, when you are going to make any kind of trade, especially for the beginners, you are going to face that market maker broker are going to give you any kind of errors, pop-up windows, okay, that off codes, etc., etc., and they can ask that are you sure you want to buy at this price. So market maker brokers are going to give you many errors willingly, okay, by knowing intensely, okay, and they are going to give you such errors. So what is STP broker? STP broker will never give you such errors. They will straightforward process your trades into world market very fast. Okay, it stands for straight through processing, and here placing and closing of order is done automatically without any manual intervention. Okay, and here in STP broker orders are closed and placed very fast. Okay, this is a good broker also, and here your orders are executed very fast. Okay, and here in this broker you are never going to face any kind of errors during opening and closing of the trades. Okay, so STP stands for straight through processing. In this broker, placing and closing of orders is done automatically without any manual intervention. It's very fast, and here's no error during opening and closing of the trades. Okay, so this was the explanation of that what is a Forex broker, what are types of Forex broker. I will highly recommend to choose only ECN broker. Okay, ECN brokers are best, their spread is less, so your first preference should be ECN broker. Okay, so this was the explanation of Forex broker and its type. Okay, thank you so much.